Now I'm feeling good. I'm gonna head down the road and yeah, see what I can find. I might go try this guy's milk. The brother's giving me a call. I might go. Oh, these guys going downhill, man. That's a bit scary. What's this? What's that? Is that like milk? Cold milk, hot milk? It's cold milk. It's got ice inside. What am I asking?
ये मोहब्बत है
कितने?
30 rupees
30 rupees?
हाँ पी के देखिए
Hi, you want one? You don't want? I can only give you this if you want. Okay, no money. I can give you food if you want. That's so good. Man, give this a shot. He's a good salesman. It's like a watermelon. Watermelon. Acha, there you go. Sharbate mohabbat. Mohabbat. Alhamdulillah. You are Muhammad Saddam?
जी yes
Very nice. It's like strawberry. It's like not strawberry. It's watermelon flavored milk. Very cold. It's full of other stuff inside, but I haven't gotten to that yet. Very sweet. And it's watermelon seeds, so you know at least it's real watermelon because it's got the seeds. Oh, and it's got watermelon chunks inside. Thank you. He saw me trying to take the watermelon out with my teeth, handed me a spoon. But there's actual watermelon inside as well. So there's watermelon seeds. It's pretty much just cut up watermelon, chuck in some ice, and chuck in some milk. Trying to finish it as fast as I can. Alhamdulillah. That was nice. Actually, I like that. I like that much more than the masala lemonade thing that I got yesterday. That wasn't nice. This is really nice. Sharbat Mohabbat. Muhammad Saddam Sharbat Mohabbat. Oh, and that's you. That's you right there, that photo. Acha. Beautiful, really nice, honestly. And it's like this milk plus a bit of watermelon. Very nice. Let me pay the gentleman.
मोहब्बत का पी गया दिल्ली का ठीक है देखो मेरी बहन तबीयत अगर अच्छा ना लगा कोई पैसा नहीं देना लो अच्छा नहीं लगा कोई पैसा नहीं खुला ऊपर दे रही हूँ सबके सामने
This guy is the best merchant I've ever seen, honestly, like the best merchant. He's so happy how he does it all. Thank you, brother. And amazing marketing as well. He yells to you across the street. Shukriya. He yells at you across the street, but not in a bad way, you know? Just like that. And it gets your attention. And honestly, like, there's more people that's here now. Everyone's sort of drinking around me almost. But really nice. Honestly, I enjoyed it so much. But, shukriya. That was refreshing. Now I feel refreshed. I got my perfume. The only thing I can't control is the traffic, but I'm gonna head that way. I'm all the way back to the masjid that I started in the beginning. I'm just gonna go in this direction because there's no other direction for me to go. I'm not gonna head back down. Not gonna head back down that way. I'm just gonna keep going straight.
उसका नाम है ज़ाफ़रान तेल
Now I could go for some gulab. Gulab jamun kitne rupe egg?
15 rupees.
Three for 30 rupees. 3 piece 30 rupees.
2 piece 30 rupees.
What's the difference between this one and this one?
No, same though.
Same, okay, just color difference, eh? Acha,
yes.
okay. I will do okay, I will do 2 piece. Yes, please. Yes, please, yes. I'm on a snack hunt right now. I can't stop, to be honest. But I just want sweets, you know. I've had my other meals and whatnot, so okay, thank you. 2 seconds. Okay, I will eat and then I'll pay after. I'll just go inside. Andiba, thank you, shukriya. Okay. I really hope this is warm, because I really hope it's warm, because warm, it's not too bad. Warm of this is the best when it's warm. That you can just puncture it so easy, but this spoon is flaking off. I'm gotta be careful I don't get that in my mouth, because it could probably irritate the throat. Oh, it's the opposite. It's the opposite of warm. Still nice though. I think he was laughing because I gave him a couple of coins, but I get given the coins as well, so you know, what am I gonna do with the coins? I just have to pass them on to the next gentleman. But yeah, alhamdulillah, he got his pay, I got my feed, and I'm feeling satisfied now. Alhamdulillah, I've had all my food and I've got my perfume. I think we can call it a successful day. I might try one more dessert. And it's this weird, not weird looking, but it's this really unusual thing I've never seen before. I'll get there if I can cross the streets right now, but I'm struggling. Let's see if I can get past this guy. It's like it's called Koya Jalebi. Koya Jalebi? Sweet? Egg, kitne?
25 per piece.
25? Oh yes. 25. What's the best price you can give me? 25 is too much. One piece, but what's the best price you can give me? This 25? No, this is 10. 10. Okay. I agree. I don't think this is 25 worth. I told him 10, but let me just pay him first before I eat it, so that we're not in a sticky situation, you know what I'm saying? Bro. Thank you. So he accepted it so freely, no questions asked. But at the beginning he gave me that I'ma get this guy and charge him 2.5 times more. But let's give it a shot. It's not warm. It's like room temperature because it's been outside, but it's got a lot of like syrup, so I assume it's probably gonna be like sugary and whatnot. It tastes like jalebis, and it's actually That makes sense because it's called something jalebi. But it just looked different, so I thought maybe it's a bit different, but really that's what it is. I think it starts off the same. He fries it and then he dips it in there. And that's what gives it this different look, but honestly, it's the same thing. Really, 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 really sweet, like super sweet. There's a lot of people working in here. It's got two different places. Rahmatullah Hotel, Haji Shashi Shemal. Haji Adam is there. Haji Adam could be after him, I don't know, but we got a wall in between these two. I guess it's probably like a shared space, I guess. I'm trying to finish it fast, but so much sugar. It's so sweet. I'm struggling. I need to wash my hands somehow. I'm gonna head back to the place I had my lunch before, and I'm just gonna wash my hands. Hi? I just came to wash my hands. Okay. Thank you. I don't know what that dude's saying, but he speaks in a way that he wants to get his teeth knocked out. Kana? What's kana? Eat? No, I'm good. I just came to wash my hands. Shukriya, shukriya. Little kids, never seen an afro before, maybe, I don't know, but